stop scrolling. Because the next few minutes can literally save you thousands of dollars if you're planning to buy an SUV in 2026. Gas prices are unpredictable, traffic is worse than ever, and everyone is talking about hybrids and EVs. But here's the real question. Which SUV actually makes sense for daily life, long drives, and resale value? Today we're talking about the 2026 Kia Sportage Prime, and trust me, this is not just another facelift. This might be the smartest SUV choice for USA roads right now, especially if you're an Asian buyer living overseas or planning long-term ownership. Let's start with price, because that's where buying decisions really begin. In the USA, the 2026 Kia Sportage Prime is expected to start around $33,000 for the base hybrid trim and go up to about $40,000 for the fully loaded Prime AWD. In Japan, after import and taxes, you're looking at roughly 5.2 to 5.8 million yen depending on the grade. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Indonesia, or Vietnam, estimated pricing converts to around $42,000 to $48,000 due to duties. For what you get, that pricing is very aggressive compared to Toyota and Honda. Now let's talk fuel, because this is where the Sportage Prime really earns its name. This is a hybrid-focused SUV built for people who are tired of visiting gas stations every week. In city driving, the Sportage Prime delivers around 42 miles per gallon. On the highway, you can expect about 38 miles per gallon. Combined, most owners will see close to 40 miles per gallon without trying hard. That means if you drive around 15,000 miles a year in the USA, you can save roughly $1,200 to $1,500 per year in fuel compared to a normal petrol SUV. Over 5 years, that's real money staying in your pocket. And if you're coming from a traditional gasoline SUV, the hybrid system feels smooth, not complicated. In traffic, the car often runs silently on electric power. At low speeds, especially in city congestion, you'll notice how calm and quiet it feels. On the highway, the petrol engine and electric motor work together, so there's no struggle, no loud noise, and no stress while overtaking. Performance is simple and practical, exactly how most people need it. The Sportage Prime produces around 227 combined horsepower. That might not sound crazy on paper, but in real life it feels quick enough. In city driving, acceleration is instant because of the electric motor. Merging into traffic is easy. On the highway, cruising at 70 or 80 miles per hour feels stable and relaxed. It's not a sports SUV, but it's confident, smooth, and predictable, which is perfect for long USA highways and daily commuting. Now let's talk maintenance and ownership costs, because hybrids used to scare people. The good news is, Kia has really simplified things. Routine maintenance like oil changes, filters, and brakes actually cost less than a normal petrol SUV because the electric motor reduces engine load. Annual maintenance in the USA is estimated around $500 to $600, which is very reasonable. Kia also offers long warranty coverage, which gives peace of mind to overseas Asian buyers who worry about long-term reliability. Insurance costs are also friendly. In most US states, insurance for the Sportage Prime is slightly lower than Toyota RAV4 hybrid because repair costs are more controlled and safety ratings are strong. Parts availability is excellent in the USA, and improving fast in Asian markets as Kia expands hybrid support. This is not a rare or risky vehicle anymore. Resale value is another strong point. Kia's image has changed massively in the last few years. The Sportage Prime is expected to retain around 60 to 65% of its value after 5 years, which is close to Toyota levels and better than many American SUVs. For Asian buyers who plan to resell or export later, this matters a lot. Now let's do a quick reality check against competitors. The Toyota RAV4 hybrid is reliable, yes, but it feels dated inside and is more expensive when fully equipped. The Honda CR-V hybrid offers comfort but slightly lower fuel efficiency and higher insurance costs. The Sportage Prime sits right in the sweet spot. More features, better interior tech, strong fuel economy, and a lower total ownership cost. For USA roads and traffic, this car makes sense. It's not too big, so parking is easy. It's not too small, so long road trips are comfortable. Suspension is tuned perfectly for rough city roads and smooth highways. The cabin is quiet, which you'll appreciate during long commutes or family trips. And the hybrid system shines in stop-and-go traffic, which is basically daily life in most American cities now. For overseas Asian buyers, especially families and professionals, this car offers balance. You get modern tech, low running costs, strong resale, and stress-free ownership. You're not gambling on new EV charging infrastructure, but you're still saving fuel and money every single day. So if you're looking for an SUV that actually fits real life in 2026, not just marketing hype, the 2026 Kia Sportage Prime deserves serious attention. It's practical, efficient, comfortable, and smart with money. And honestly, that's what most buyers want now. If this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We break down real ownership costs, real savings, and real-world performance so you don't waste your money. See you in the next one.